We're going to be making a bird trap here. I forget the name of the bird trap and I apologize for that. But we want to take 2 sticks, about yay size. We don't want to form a square just yet. We want them about rectangular. A little bit of rectangular, and measure out your cordage, see how much you're going to need. About that much. And use the same one to measure the length of the next cordage so you know you got the right size. The right length, I should say. Alright. And all you want to do rectangular base here. You move some of these here so it's more even. And all we want to do is cross it. Lay it down on the ground. And then we just want to take a bunch of sticks. And you're going to want to gather a lot because it takes a lot more than you would think. Stick this one in there. Push it as far to the edge as you can. Another stick, roughly about the same size. Go to the other side. And then you want to do it on the other side. And as you can see, it kind of creates it'll start to create a kind of pyramid cage. You want to make sure these stay nice and tight. You don't want them coming loose in the middle of catching your prey. Then just break off a few more about the same length and just stick them here to make a sort of door. Get that one a little thicker. And there we go. We have our bird trap. Now the way the triggering mechanism is set up is just about the same way as the Paiute deadfall.
There you go.
Alright. Like I said, the triggering mechanism on this bird trap is practically the same as the Paiute deadfall. Got your cordage trigger trap here. But most of the time, these traps have a V. I decided to just go with the 1 stick. What we're going to do is we're going to take our seeds with a little bit of peanut butter mix. Just put it right back there. Birds will be jumping around, having a good old time, and I'll set it right. Oh, I just triggered it myself. We'll set this up real quick again. No big deal.
At least we know it works.
Yeah. This might also catch a small rodent. We are in the woods and there's a lot of brush around here, so we might just catch, like I said, a small rodent. But hey, if we do, at least we know our trap still works. And that is our bird trap. Another thing I'd like to point out here, let me see the camera. All these weeds around here, they're nettle. Nettle's edible. Pain in the ass to get, because anyone who has experienced nettle before knows that on nettle there are these little tiny hairs on there. I don't know if you can see it with this camera or not. And when they get you, They sting and they itch. It's crazy. And there's my buddy Alex.
Yep.
He's the guy who usually runs the camera. And there we go. We got 2 traps set up today, and hopefully we catch something.